Hey! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. Welcome. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. So here I have the Ipsy bag, as you see in the title of this video. This little bag here, I feel like I've honestly been waiting for this bag for 2 months. This tiny little bag. This is my first time getting Ipsy. I was gonna get this bag 3 years ago, but then I had applied for my pro card for naming. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into this video. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and share this video with your friends, family, neighbor, dog, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Okay, here I have the card that came inside of the bag, and it says "Get That Glow," you can see. And then so it says, "A new season is finally on the horizon. Let the excitement in the air spark new ideas like sunset lids or megawatt highlighter, oh yeah, and bask in every light you find. Ready to get glowing? Yes, I am." Okay, to learn more about your products. So if you want to learn more about your products, because it doesn't come with, so this is like what you can do with the type of products you get. So they're like tips, or yeah, they're tips. And so it says to learn more about them though. If you want to learn about each product that you receive individually, you will go to their website, and then they have like tips and tricks, and then they tell you all the information about the products that you received in your bag. It says add-ons, the ultimate Ipster deal. Hey, didn't I add on something? I don't know. Now I don't remember. I'm gonna have to look back at it. Okay. Alright, so get rid of that. So the first one here that I received was the Porefessional Pearl Primers for Radiant Skin, and it's by Benefit. I love this. I love this. I love the Pore Perfector too. Beautiful. Love it. So I got Estate. It's in Do Me Baked Highlight Powder. So it's this one here. Let's see. And okay, let's open it. So I've never heard of Estate. Ooh, this is so cute. Okay. Do Me. Bye. That's funny. Okay. And then it says Do Me. Bye. And then open it. So as you can see there, it's a little, feels a little, yeah, it feels a little powdery. I mean, it's a baked powder, but it doesn't really feel like a baked powder. Wow, yeah, that's some highlight right there. Oh, yay. Awesome. Okay. All right, and next product. Okay. All right, so I think this is the product that I chose. Eyeliner. I think this is the one that I either chose or I added. I can't remember. But I was like, yeah, I need a new liquid liner. Because I don't know what happened to all my stuff. It's like, there's like a, I don't know, like a makeup fairy that just comes in and like just takes your makeup, and then you're like looking for it and you can't find it anywhere. It's like, no, I'm just kidding. Okay, now I'm getting silly. Okay. this one here. This is the NIU New Body Piña Colada Sugar Lip Polish. Now open it. So that's how it looks right there. It's white. I actually have been needing one. I really like Bite. Bite is a really good, they have a very, very good lip mask. Definitely recommend their products for lip stuff. What else? Okay, and then here we have the Tarte H2o Gloss in Hang 10, I guess. So it's a little guy here. So yeah, super cute. And last, I think, but not least, is, I don't know what this is, but it came in a little baggie. So here I have Space Case Cosmetics. This is the last one. Came in this bag, and it's an eyeshadow. So let's see. It's vegan and cruelty free. Create your own reality. Cool. Let's see. So this is how it comes. And so it's like a little twist off. You just twist it off, and that's the shadow there. Okay, let's test it out. It looks like a kind of like champagne color, like purple, blue. I mean, not blue. Purple, or like, I don't know, like a purple silverish color. Oh, it's very, very, very subtle, like very light. Sheer, I mean. Yeah, it's very sheer. Kind of like, well, at least on my skin. It's really nice though, I like it. I'm gonna try it. Do a little quick look. I put on foundation, concealer, and some powder. Did my brows a little bit. Put some lip balm. I used, for foundation, I used YSL mixed with the NYX natural color. YSL was in like the warm toffee. And then the concealer, Shape Tape, always. That one is in medium tan. And then it's just like one above my shade. And then I used beige in the Fit Me powder compact thing. And then I used e.l.f. gel on my eyebrows. And then I used an e.l.f. pencil. A little bit though. I just used like a little brush. And then I got some of that and then put it there. I just did a little bit and go a little too crazy today. Okay, so let's do this look. I'm gonna go in with this kind of like brownish color. And this is just to help get some kind of like definition. And I'm just gonna apply this shimmery color with my finger. I'm using my middle finger, just putting it in there. And I'm just gonna put it right here in the middle. And then I'm gonna just kind of work my way to the middle. I mean to the inner corner a little. And then also on the side a little bit. So just like that. And then this is a really good color to have like a pop in the middle of your eyelid, kind of like a halo effect. cute. I'm gonna go ahead and take it right here in the inner corner too. Just a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with the Fierce Flicks. It's Château London Fierce Flicks eyeliner. Don't have a mirror. Just gonna use this camera. So, got my eyeliner game straight on today. And then now I'm gonna go in with that sugar lip polish thingy. And I'm gonna take my pinky and dig it in there. So, some on there, and then just gonna, and while it's on, I'm gonna put on some blush. And then I'm gonna try this beautiful highlight. I'm gonna look like a Oompa Loompa because this is really orange. Sorry. Okay. So I'm going to go in with the Morphe M438 brush. Okay. So I'm going to go in. Oh, this reminds me of Kiko Milano highlight that I had. I think it broke. Just gonna go all out for this one. Getting all the spots where the sun is supposed to hit. I'm not sweating, I'm illuminating. Okay, so Tarte H2o Gloss and in Hang Tan. Alright, so let's go ahead and put that on. Ooh! No, so let me show you guys. Oh, this is a pretty pink. Okay. See? It's a little pinker than I thought, but it's pretty. It's a lot coming out of this thing. All right, let's see. It's cute. This is a very glossy, should I say glowy look. Yeah, I like it. I like these products that I got. They're really cute to try out since it was my first time and everything. This is a really cute lip gloss. I really like it. I love Tarte's pinks. Like all their pinks that Tarte has. I love them. I'm gonna buy them all someday. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this look and this video, and if you did, thank you so much. Well, either way, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. I really appreciate it. If you want to see my last video, wait till the end. It'll pop up. Go ahead and click on that. Also give that video a huge thumbs up. Also, if you're new and you loved this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. that subscribe button. And then also hit that like button, please. Thank you so much. And tell me what you guys thought about these products that you saw, this look that I did, anything at all. Just say hi in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a good one. God bless. Bye. So this is a complete look. I loved it. Yeah. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to watch the next video. I went ahead and added some mascara. You can't really tell that much, but it's the Huda Beauty one. My eyeliner line is too thick, that's fine. But yeah, thank you so much. Bye.